welcome to Legal Edge After College. And मेरा नाम है अर्पिता. And today I have a very special student with me, Pallavi, who has cleared IIT Kharagpur exam. And I know and I understand कि IIT Kharagpur exam के around ये जो secrecy है, ना प्रीवियस ईयर पेपर मिलता है, ना पता चलता है कि पेपर में आता क्या है, कौन से टॉपिक्स इंपॉर्टेंट है, कौन से नहीं है, क्वेश्चन किस तरह से पूछे जाते हैं, सिर्फ बेरैक पे फोकस रहते हैं या नहीं. तो सब कुछ डिकोड करने के लिए let's hear it from the horse's mouth itself and welcome Paridhi. Congratulations Pallavi.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
How
And
are you?
thank you for helping me here, like, get where I am.
You're most welcome. How are you?
I am good.
ठीक है.
How are you?
पल्लवी मुझे ना थोड़ी सी हिस्ट्री से समझाना, ठीक है, कि
Okay, ma'am.
कहाँ से एलएलबी किया, फिर आईआईटी
Okay.
खड़गपुर कैसे हुआ, लाइक द होल स्टोरी
Yes,
बिहाइंड इट.
ma'am. Okay, ma'am. So should I start from my school days? Cause
Wherever you want to start from.
okay, so like I was always a very mediocre student. I'm still a very mediocre student. I can't do ratta. I'm really bad at answer writing also. So what I did, I, I got good CGPA in 10th, and but I messed up my 12th. I didn't wanted to go for science, but my parents were very persuasive that you should go for science because uh, I don't know why.
Same. I
I still
know.
don't
I
understand.
have been through this. I have lived this. I understand.
So the bad thing that happened with me that I didn't score good numbers in my 11th. So my parents made me repeat my 11th, but then from different school and again from entirely different board. I was in CBSE and that got me into state board. I didn't score a good number, but first division में pass हो गई, so it was fine for me. That year I did before CLAT, but मैंने preparation नहीं की, तो obviously वो तो होगा नहीं. And I got like I got मैंने एंट्रेंस सिम्बायोसिस वगैरह में भी दिए थे लॉ के लिए बट बहुत कम नंबर से कट गए थे एंड then I just left the hope of being a lawyer. And my parents were also not very supportive about it because like I come from a middle class family and it was like very taboo around law. Like पता ही नहीं होता पेरेंट्स को क्या है क्या नहीं है.
I know.
All they
I
think is
know.
कि अरे वकील बनोगे.
हाँ, वकील
मतलब
कौन बनता है, बहस ही तो कर दिए बेटा. उसके लिए प्रोफेशनल
हाँ
डिग्री क्यों
exactly
लेनी है.
exactly. So it had a very negative connotation for them and so I continued with my BCom and then later I did apply for DO and BHU for my LLB. And that time we didn't like it was exactly the year before the CUT was introduced, so the even the fees were really less. I paid from my pocket money, and after the entrance, I didn't get into BU, but I did get into BHU, and my parents were like, "Oh, BHU, it's a really good university.
हाँ.
You can go and whatever." And they were okay with law also. But now they thought that हो गया है तो फिर क्या ही करना तो छोड़ दो उसको. And this my friend, I would like I have to give a shout out to her. I was also a bit skeptical about giving an interview because I'm very a bit introvert. And she was the one who like really did encourage me. And also she was the one who introduced me to legal age after college. So she got into an NLU. अभी तो मैम और ज्यादा वो काउंसलिंग वगैरह और बाकी है. तो तो उसने आप लोगों से प्रॉपर कोचिंग लिया था क्लास के लिए एंड दिसंबर में शी गॉट क्लास. She was the one who like really did encourage me that you should apply for LLM and for CLAT. But I wanted a year drop. कि यार बहुत hectic हो गया because we are COVID batch from here,
हाँ.
so we had to complete our course within 2 years. एक तो 3 year LLB वैसे ही बहुत ज्यादा subjects होते हैं और 2 year में उसको खत्म करना was really hectic for me. So I just ऐसे ही मैं my friend said you should get take a year drop, do one thing. आ, घर के पास में कोई प्राइवेट कॉलेज है उसमें डाल दो. अब तो मैंने डाल दिया उसमें. देन आई रियलाइज आई शुड ऑल्सो अप्लाई फॉर सीयूटी. पढ़ना तो उसके लिए भी है उसके एंट्रेंस के लिए. So I applied for there and Kharagpur I applied on its last date. I thought it won't happen, but I'll just give my 100%. Like I don't want to sit on the exam hall thinking कि अरे मैंने मुझे ये पढ़ लेना चाहिए था. Like I'll give my 100%. If it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen. It's fine.
हाँ.
And I was sure that it won't happen. I was absolutely sure about that it won't happen. But 3 months. It's not a very healthy thing to say. I barely had 4 hours, 5 hours sleep, and I was sleeping at 2 o'clock, and I was waking up at 5, and I was like, I had to do it. I have to do it, and especially north में बहुत ज़्यादा सर्दी पड़ती है. Somebody who is not from this region, it's unbearable. I come from a coastal state, so it's really painful for me to bear this kind of cold. But I don't know how, what kept me motivated. I have no idea. Maybe it was my friend. She was so happy. Her parents were so happy. Seeing her get
You
into her
have to
NLU.
name her.
Her name is Meda. I'm so happy. Her name is Meda. Shout out to Meda Mishra.
Oh,
So yeah, yeah.
nice.
I got your number also from her. Like
हाँ 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 हाँ.
she's she's a gem of a person, I must say. So yeah, so she kept me encouraging, like you should study this also, you should do this also, and so first ma'am दे दिया, and the Kharagpur paper wasn't, thankfully, it wasn't as UAT's paper. UAT's paper is very, I really have to mug up a lot of things. Like, you have to remember the entire CRPC ka act ki kahan ka, because there was a question like in, or you have to arrange it in order,
Hmm.
which those kind of questions doesn't come, like it didn't come in Kharagpur. And also, it doesn't have a previous year paper, so it's also a bit tough. Like, it might come next year also. But I think they do put very conceptual questions. Like there were questions such as what kind of law is evidence act, right? Is it like Toki or like Spori?
Hmm.
I remember even there was a video from your judiciary.
हाँ.
That I that's the first thing, yeah, right. So and also it does help like coming from a traditional university, because हमें कुछ हो ना हो classes regularly होते हैं, and teachers do teach you in such a way. So that's why it did help that did also help a lot. I did practice questions from different places, and also there was this I don't remember the class name. I'm really sorry that yeah, the 10 days class was UAT, right? Uh, I don't remember the name. It's from your like legal age after
College.
college only. Yeah, there was some. I don't remember the exact name. There were 10 days we were taking classes for CUET, right?
हाँ 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 हाँ
Yeah, like
हाँ.
the PDF and all. So
Mahamarathon.
that, yes, ma'am. That also did help a lot. So I think the key is to practice as many questions, because you can't remember so much. There is so much that in like for a LLM mental speed at the CUET, be that be Kharagpur, it, you can't remember. You just have to practice a lot of questions, and yeah, it did. That did work for me. And questions, yeah, that did work for me. That's all I can say.
क्वेश्चन पूछे किस तरह के जाते हैं, क्योंकि प्रीवेपीज बहुत इजीली अवेलेबल है नहीं आईआईटी खड़गपुर के, एंड क्योंकि आईपीआर का स्पेशलाइजेशन इतना फेमस है आईआईटी खड़गपुर का, तो लोगों को लगता है सिर्फ आईपीआर से सवाल आते होंगे.
नहीं मैम, नहीं आते हैं. डेटा प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट 2023 से बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस आए थे, बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन. व्हाट इज एक डेफिनेशन था, देन दे आस्क्ड इज इट डेटा प्रोटेक्टर, इज इट डेटा फिड्यूशियरी, and there were questions from IT rules. There were a lot of questions from IPR, and I didn't like when we think of IPR, we think trademark, patent, copyright, इनसे ज्यादा questions आएंगे क्योंकि ये बहुत ज्यादा main acts है. लेकिन मैम उस ट्रेडमार्क से एक भी क्वेश्चन नहीं था. इफ आई as much as I remember, ट्रेडमार्क से क्वेश्चंस नहीं थे. बट बायोडाइवर्सिटी एक्ट से बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस थे, बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन, अनएक्सपेक्टेडली ही बहुत ज्यादा क्वेश्चंस थे. बायोडाइवर्सिटी एक्ट, प्लांट वैरायटी, जीआई वगैरह से एक ही क्वेश्चन थे. डिजाइन से शायद नहीं थे, सेमीकंडक्टर से भी नहीं, शायद एक था. आई डोंट रिमेम्बर
हाँ
सेमीकंडक्टर
हाँ.
वन. There were questions from copyright, a decent amount of questions from copyright, and also from patent also. So it's not like you have to focus on just IPR. I mean, you have to study the entire IPR. Like सारे के सारे आपको पढ़ने चाहिए. Not even biodiversity and traditional knowledge also. तो उसकी कोई एक्ट नहीं है. But एक knowledge तो होना चाहिए. तो
हम्म.
वो भी पढ़ना चाहिए. I think the current laws that are very relevant in today's date, if you think about it, like IT Act is such a IT Act से भी मैम एक दो क्वेश्चन आए थे, बट IT रूल्स और स्पेशली डाटा प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट से डेटा सर डेटा प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट से बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन आए थे. एंड बाकी सब से तो मतलब थोड़े थोड़े सबसे ही आए थे. लेकिन या
तो
सो you have to study it.
बाकी जो ट्रेडिशनल सब्जेक्ट्स हैं, जो हमारे कोर सब्जेक्ट्स हैं, आईपीसी, सीआरपीसी,
Um,
एविडेंस, यहाँ से कितना
ma'am,
वेटेज रहा था?
Ma'am, that I can't remember actually recall कितना weightage रहा था, but I think it's not something. It wasn't as like CUET that you have to go in depth with it.
हम्म
अगर आपको decent knowledge है, I think the questions were not that tough. The
हम्म।
questions were not at all tough. Questions काफी conceptual है. अगर आपने मतलब अपने क्लास के टाइम पे भी अगर ढंग से सुना होगा, तो
हाँ।
आपको बहुत सारी चीजें याद रहेगी. कंपनी लॉ से भी बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस आए थे.
ओके
वो
ओके।
प्रोस्पेक्टस वगैरह से भी
हाँ
क्वेश्चन
हाँ।
थे. But it's something, if you know it superficially also, you can, like, they gave a definition and they asked what it is. But the thing is that the options are very confusing. Like you think, oh, this might be this also, might be this also. I'm really sorry, I can't recall the questions,
नहीं, दैट्स
all of
ओके।
it,
हाँ हाँ, एब्सोल्युटली
because
ओके।
it's been almost a month now.
हाँ हाँ।
So I can't recall all the questions, but the questions were like this only. I think you need to read everything.
हम्म।
मतलब उतना तो आप कोई भी like entrance में बैठो कि have to study everything, right?
एग्जैक्टली।
But you don't, not like CUET, like you have to remember sections and you have to remember the sequence of things that you fortunately don't have to do.
ये अच्छा
But
है।
the questions are very conceptual. That was like, I saw the paper and I was like, it's such, I don't know whoever did set the question. It was really nice question.
हाँ हाँ।
So yeah,
हाँ, द क्वेश्चन शुड बी सच कि जो आपका नॉलेज टेस्ट करे, ना कि ये कि हाउ मच यू
exactly.
कैन मेमोराइज एंड हाउ मच यू कैन
Memorize, yeah,
रिटेन।
exactly. I feel CUET का पेपर तो मैम वैसा ही था कि आपको लाइक चीजें मेमोराइज
हाँ।
करनी पड़ेंगी. बट हाँ, लेकिन ये है कि मैम प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन ये तो आपको नहीं पता कि कौन से एक्ट से कितना वेटेज पाएगा. वो तो एक प्रॉब्लम है, बिकॉज आई लाइक आई सॉ योर वीडियोज राइट फ्रॉम अबाउट खड़गपुर एंड राइट IPR पढ़ के ही जाना एंड ऑल. आई डिडंट एक्सपेक्ट बायोडाइवर्सिटी एक्ट से
हाँ।
क्वेश्चन आएंगे, राइट? यू एक्सपेक्ट ट्रेडमार्क से तो आने ही चाहिए, सच ए इम्पोर्टेंट एक्ट. उससे एक भी क्वेश्चन नहीं था. तो मतलब आई वाज सरप्राइज. सब एक्ट से क्वेश्चन, तो GI से क्वेश्चन आ रहे हैं, फ्लैगोराइटिस से क्वेश्चन आ रहे हैं, लेकिन इससे क्वेश्चन नहीं है. मैम अगेन इट वाजंट वेरी सेक्शन स्पेसिफिक. इसमें GI में पूछा था कि ज्योग्राफिकल इंडिकेशन होता क्या है. उसने ना
हम्म।
बहुत सारे उसके डेफिनेशन में ही बहुत सारे दिए थे कि आप यू हैव टू चूज व्हाट इट इज. सो
हम्म।
यू नीड टू लाइक,
यू नीड टू
यू
नो।
नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट GI. हाँ,
हाँ।
एग्जैक्टली. तो वही चीज है, थोड़ा आप कंफ्यूज भी होके नंबर भी कट सकते हैं उसमें भी. तो हाँ, बट क्वेश्चंस वर गुड.
So
लाइक
how what was your parents' reaction when you told them कि IIT खड़गपुर हो गया?
you should ask what was my reaction. I thought मेरा होगा नहीं. So I started counseling that private exam. I was sleeping.
ओह।
ये इवनिंग को आया था. तो रिजल्ट, मेरा भाई आया हुआ था बनारस में, उसको छोड़ने के लिए स्टेशन गई थी. I came from station and had a conversation with my मासी और मैं चुपचाप सो गई. सुबह उठी, my friend text me IIT खड़गपुर. I thought कि यार क्या है, मेरा होगा नहीं, ये बेकार में मेरे को ऐसे चिढ़ा रहा है. So he called and he congratulated and I was like, अरे result नहीं आया. He said कि आ गया है. I'm sending you the messages. And I saw my name and I checked my enrollment number. And I always was a true believer that कि कभी खुशी में रोना नहीं आता है. हमेशा when you're sad only then only you cry. Why will you cry when you are happy? But yeah, I did cry when
Tears
I
of
was so
happiness.
happy. Yeah, my mom also called. Actually, before my mom, then I called my mom after that, and her number was busy. So I didn't tell my parents first. I went to tell me that she lives 2 rooms apart from me, and I was like, you know what? I didn't tell you that I applied for Kadipur because I thought I would get in, and before I completed, she said, "You got in?" Yeah, I got in, and she was so happy. She hugged me. Even you're so sweet. Uncle did send her 1,000 rupees in the milk
Oh,
party. It's really
that is
sweet.
very sweet.
My parents were so happy. My mom was so happy. My father so called every relative. He no,
We are so
no.
happy for you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
So, how did Legal Edge after college helped you in your preparation?
Ma'am, you had so many like on every side. Like I said, there was that 10 days. Like even if you don't attend those classes, but still you have the class recordings and the PDFs, and those are really helpful. And uh, every bit of it, I would say, like the marathon that like the marathon for every video, like every subject that you had, there was 10 hours marathon, 13 hours marathon. If you don't do anything, you put on that and you keep on listening, it subconsciously वो दिमाग में रह जाता है. It's really good for revision, I would say. And thank you so much for putting so much effort for us.
It feels
That is for
worth
sure.
it when, students get into their dream college, and it feels, everything feels like so worth it. Like, 8 hour marathon हुआ कोई बात नहीं. Like, it's
And and मैम ऑल्सो मैम इवन फॉर दो इसमें नहीं आया था लेकिन सीयूईटी के लिए भी I'm in my that time I was in my fifth semester, right? हम लोग को वो penology, victimology वगैरह नहीं पढ़ाया गया था.
हाँ
But those there were classes on that too. और अभी हमें पेटेंट और ट्रेडमार्क अभी है, right?
हाँ
But seeing those videos, you get an idea for entrance. अभी entrance के लिए आपको इतना in depth तो कभी पढ़ना नहीं होता है. It's
हाँ
always superficially आपको पढ़ना रहता है. तो उसके लिए भी it was so helpful कि you just see a video, even if you see it in 2x, you know कि हाँ ये चीजें हैं. You have to
हाँ.
remember those things. And yeah, I even made good notes on victimology and uh, penology. So
अच्छा है.
if those classes, and all, it also keeps you motivated. Like if you're like if you think कि अरे इतना syllabus है कैसे खत्म करना है, तो ऐसा लगता है कि नहीं हो पाएगा. But somebody puts on video and you think अरे अरे ठीक है ये सब्जेक्ट छोटे छोटे
हाँ
सब्जेक्ट्स है ना. I'll do this. ठीक है. And the more like difficult subjects also उसके बाद ये थोड़ा कर लेते हैं ये थोड़ा कर लेते हैं.
हाँ
तो उससे बहुत ज्यादा हेल्प होता है. टीपीए देयर वाज आल्सो एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव उसके रिवीजन के लिए भी आल्सो. आप पता नहीं इसमें था कि जुडिशरी वाले
हाँ.
चैनल पे था जी. आप ही का वीडियो था. तो दैट आल्सो आई सॉ एविडेंस का आल्सो एविडेंस के केसेस वगैरह थे. रियली गुड फॉर रिवीजन, राइट? सब एवरीबॉडी स्टडीज दैट
हाँ.
studies these subjects in their law school, but again the revision is so important. Like if you go
Agreed.
on reading books and again your study material sometimes becomes monotonous.
Agreed.
My
Agreed.
my friend Meda does a really nice thing that I would like to share with others.
हाँ हाँ.
She puts it on her speaker, like videos, and she puts it on a speaker and she does her own chores and she listens to that and कहीं ना कहीं वो आपके दिमाग में रह जाता है कि अरे हाँ राइट
एब्सोल्युटली.
क्या नहीं था. हाँ ये है राइट.
एंड मैं ये वाली चीज ना अपने स्टूडेंट से भी कहती हूँ कि एग्जाम हॉल में ना तुम्हें मेरी आवाज आएगी कि बेटा देखो
हाँ
मैंने पढ़ाया था. ये
पढ़ाया
वाला
था
ऑप्शन
एग्जैक्टली
है.
मैम. और if you do that, even if you sit and study it, sometimes you don't feel you can't focus.
हम्म.
But ऐसे ही आप कुछ काम कर रहे हो अपना and वो background में चल रहा है, so it really does help a lot.
एब्सोल्युटली एब्सोल्युटली. सो last way, one advice for students who are going to appear in this exam next year.
I guess give your 100%. It's fine अगर नहीं भी हुआ. That did work for me. Even if you have a really small time, 3 महीने तो प्लीज गो फॉर एलएलएम एंट्रेंस. 6 महीने पहले से प्रिपरेशन शुरू कर दो क्योंकि
हम्म.
3 महीना सही में बहुत कम टाइम होता है. बट वेन यू आर डूइंग एंड डू इट विथ all your might so that you don't at least regret, even if it doesn't like result doesn't
हाँ.
come in a positive way, but still you won't regret that oh मैंने पढ़ा नहीं था एग्जाम हॉल में. एटलीस्ट मैंने पढ़ा था. that तो you will think.
Agreed. Agreed.
So,
Thank you so much, Pallavi. We are
thank,
so proud
thank
of
you
you
so
and
much
we are
ma'am.
so happy for you. Congratulations again. And give my
Thank you
regards
so
to
much.
Medha and your parents as well.
Thank you so much ma'am.
All right. Thank you, Pallavi. Bye. Take care.
Bye ma'am.